We have two Bluetooth speakers, both of them are very new. It's the JBL Flip 5 and the Creative Movo Play. Let's switch them on. They have this characteristic sound, both of them. This is the JBL. See, and this is the Creative. The Creative just turned on.
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect.
They look not all the same, but the Flip is a bit thinner and larger in size, and the Movo Play is a bit short, but thicker than the Flip 5. Both of them, they have this list to carry them. They are water resistant. They have base reflectors, both of them on the sides. So something's going on here. One is inspired by some from the other. The Movo Play has this USB Type-C auxiliary in, this cover for the water. The buttons are here. There is no pairing mode with other same device like the Flip 5 has the party boost here. This is a USB-C also as well, Bluetooth pairing buttons, and that's it. Let's listen to them. When you reach the maximum level of the Creative Bluetooth speaker, you see this sound, characteristic sound. We started with a